Make money audit. Success with Sam. Sell a digital product with a notebook LM for free. This one gets a grade D. Okay. It isn't free. 10 minutes into the video, he tells you the Shopify store is $1. Then he admits it's 29 to 39 a month after that. And the tool doing most of the work in the video, he gives you a 10% discount code and he never says what the cost is. A discount on a price he won't tell you. Let's listen in.
Branding of NotebookLM to Gemini Notebook. I thought this was a good opportunity for me to showcase how you can use this amazing, completely free AI tool from Google to help you build up a digital product store from scratch, even if you're a complete beginner that's never done it before. There's a very simplistic way that you can use this tool to guide you through the entire process. Most people tend to overcomplicate it, but today I'm going to show you everything that goes into it from the very start all the way to the very end. So jumping straight into it, let me quickly explain.
Okay. So he does have that little disclaimer there at the end about the YouTube and stuff like that. But so here's this go. Let's get into this. So, okay. Shopify. Shopify is $1 to start. We already know that. Then his own words, 29 or maybe 39 per month. Okay. He doesn't know his own numbers. Digital maker AI, prompt maker, product maker, website maker, store finder, video maker. That's most of the video. Price never stated. No, he doesn't show the price in any of it. All those things he's saying, just a 10% code. Amma said free tier, then a 30% off the code for an upgrade. The only free thing in the video is Notebook LM, and the one thing doing the least of the work. So here's what it is, guys. He's guiding you down a path like everybody else that says, use my stuff so I make money and you lose your butt. Okay. So think about what you do before you do it with these guys. You got to understand they're selling you to jump into their crap, but you're going to lose or you're not going to make money right away. You have to anticipate you're going to need time. Okay. Okay. The revenue he shows you belongs to a stranger store. Okay. And it's estimated pool from the same tool he's promoting. He builds a store live on camera, never sells a thing, zero of his own dollars. Okay. So he shows you how to do it. Okay, great. But they don't show you the back end, what it's going to take to make money, the realistic money. This is the one. He pulls up a successful store in the ad library and shows they're running Google shopping ads and meta ads. Paid traffic, people. Then his own advice is to produce a content every single day. He shows you a business that buys its customers and tells you to copy it for free. Well, yeah, you can copy anything on there. It's not the problem. What you don't get, and I hope you do get from watching my video on this guy and all the other ones, it's what you got to pay in the back end to make the money. Okay. That's where it is. No ad budget, no cost per customer, no conversion rate, no timeline. So, yeah, he's just telling you how to show you where to do it, but they're not giving you realistic information. They're basically just saying, go to my stuff, buy my stuff, I'll make money and you lose money. Not a smart move in my case. Okay. The only reason why I got an idea is the build works. The money doesn't. That's it. The money doesn't get there. So let me ask you this. If any of you have ever done a digital planner, put in the comments, what did you spend? What did it take? How long did it take to get your money? Because I know I've tried digital planners. I have an Etsy store that I put stuff on, and I was spinning ads going like crazy, and I haven't had any luck. I mean, I think the competition, I did it as a test to see if it would work, and I'm trying to see how long it takes. So far, I'm into it for a month, and I have spent, I think right now, maybe $20 to $30, maybe even more. But then I stopped it. I'm not wasting money. I'm not in this business or anything like that to lose money. I realized that they were not a saturated niche, but they were pretty damn close. So I just decided to let it marinate, let it do it on its own organically and see what happens. I'm not going to throw money at something that's dead. I make too many videos on stuff like that. And I realized I was not practicing what I preach. I was wasting my own money on foolishly trying to think it was going to make money. So I realized myself, I admitted I screwed up, I fixed it, and we'll see what happens. So again, with this one, you can do it, but you need to have the expectation of what it's going to take and a time frame it's going to take. If you think you're going to make money right out of the bat, you think you're going to sell everything right away, you're just pipe dreams. It's not there, people. Hope it. Lift, put your hands out. Hope in one hand, shit in the other. Which one's going to fill up first? Same information from Sam. It's going to the shit. It's going to give pile up. He's giving you misinformation. Think about what you do, like and subscribe. And if you've done any of this stuff, please comment. I'd be curious to hear what you've done and how long it took for you to make money. And most of all, what did you have to spend to make the money? Have a good one.